What if I told you the world's largest online retailer might actually be an AI company in disguise? When most people think of Amazon, they think of online shopping. But that's only part of the story. Behind the scenes, Amazon is building one of the world's biggest cloud businesses, investing billions in artificial intelligence, expanding digital advertising, and transforming global logistics. So here's the big question. Is Amazon stock still worth buying in 2026? Or has the best opportunity already passed? Stay until the end, because one overlooked business inside Amazon could be the biggest reason investors remain bullish for years to come. Amazon is much more than an online store. Amazon started as an online bookstore. Today, it's one of the largest companies in the world. Its business now stretches across e-commerce, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, digital advertising, streaming entertainment, smart devices, logistics and delivery. This diversification means Amazon isn't dependent on just one source of revenue. Instead, multiple businesses help drive its long-term growth. The secret behind Amazon's profits. Here's something many investors don't realize. While online shopping generates enormous sales, one of Amazon's most profitable businesses is actually Amazon Web Services, better known as AWS. AWS provides cloud computing services to businesses, governments, startups, and some of the world's largest technology companies. Every day, millions of websites, apps, and digital services rely on cloud infrastructure. As more companies adopt AI and move their operations online, demand for cloud computing continues to grow, and AWS remains one of the global leaders in that market. Artificial intelligence is creating new opportunities. Artificial intelligence is changing nearly every industry. Amazon is investing heavily in AI to improve shopping recommendations, cloud services, warehouse automation, voice assistants, business productivity tools. AI doesn't just improve customer experience. It can also help businesses operate more efficiently, reduce costs, and create new revenue opportunities. For many investors, this makes Amazon more than just an e-commerce company. It has become one of the major players in the AI revolution. Why Wall Street still watches Amazon closely? Institutional investors continue paying close attention to Amazon for several reasons. The company benefits from multiple long-term trends: cloud computing, artificial intelligence, digital advertising, online shopping, automation. Few companies have strong positions across so many growing industries at the same time. That's one reason Amazon remains one of the market's most closely watched technology stocks. But here's what most investors miss. The biggest question isn't whether Amazon is a great company. Most people already agree that it is. The real question is, can Amazon continue growing fast enough to reward investors over the next decade? Or has its massive size made future growth much more difficult? Is Amazon stock too expensive? Now let's answer the biggest question. Amazon has become one of the world's largest companies. Naturally, many investors wonder whether the stock is already too expensive. The truth is, great businesses often trade at premium valuations because investors expect strong future growth. The important question isn't simply whether Amazon looks expensive today. It's whether the company can continue growing earnings over the next decade. If it can, today's valuation may eventually look reasonable. Amazon's biggest growth drivers. So, what's fueling Amazon's future? First, Amazon Web Services, AWS. As artificial intelligence expands, businesses need more cloud computing power. AWS remains one of the world's largest cloud platforms and could continue benefiting from this long-term trend. Second, digital advertising. Millions of shoppers search for products on Amazon every day. That gives brands a valuable place to advertise, creating another fast-growing revenue stream. Third, artificial intelligence and automation. Amazon is investing heavily in AI-powered logistics, warehouse robotics, and smarter shopping experiences. These technologies could improve efficiency while reducing long-term operating costs. The biggest risks investors should know, of course. No investment comes without risks. Amazon faces intense competition from Walmart, Microsoft, Google, Shopify, and many other technology companies. Cloud computing is becoming increasingly competitive. Retail profit margins remain relatively thin. Governments around the world are also paying closer attention to large technology companies through regulations and antitrust investigations. And because Amazon is already such a massive business, maintaining rapid growth becomes more challenging every year. Long-term investors should expect periods of volatility. Should beginners buy Amazon? If you're just starting your investing journey, avoid chasing stocks simply because they're popular. Many experienced investors first build a diversified portfolio using broad market ETFs. Then they add high-quality companies with durable competitive advantages. Amazon is often considered one of those businesses because it operates across multiple industries with long-term growth potential. Still, no single stock should dominate your portfolio. Diversification remains one of the best ways to manage investment risk. Final verdict: so, is Amazon stock still worth buying in 2026? If you believe cloud computing, artificial intelligence, digital advertising, and e-commerce will continue expanding over the next decade, Amazon remains one of the strongest companies to watch. Will it deliver the same explosive returns as its early years? Probably not. But many investors still view Amazon as a high-quality business with significant long-term growth opportunities. The smartest investors don't follow headlines. They study great businesses. Think long-term, stay diversified, and invest with discipline. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Wall Street Pulse for more videos on Amazon stock, AI stocks, ETFs, Bitcoin, and the US stock market. And in our next episode, we'll answer another big question. Microsoft versus Amazon. Which AI giant is the better investment?